So, good evening, net aspirants. Again with a new video, Karnataka set 2021. I think NT has displayed the date sheet and admit card for the first 2 days. So, other papers இருக்கவங்களாம் கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா admit card will come. Okay. So, be cool, be confident. Already you have studied a lot. So, time to prove yourself for the examination. So that is not a problem, it is only a easy task. If you are very cool enough to attend the examination, automatically you will clear. So again with a new question paper, I just started with the question number 11 because first two questions I need some workings regarding the data interpretation and reading comprehension. I just started with the question number 11. Just see around 20 questions and then we'll stop with that, and then we'll again come up with a new video for the next 25 questions because it needs some working, right? So it is also a standard question paper. It is not very easy or very tough. It is only standard questions, but it is related only to the options, and combinations of options are very less. But in NTA all the questions will be in combination of options, so that is not a problem. We'll see. First 11th question: select the alternative which consists of the positive factors contributing to the effectiveness of teaching. So they are asking about teaching. Just to see question options which is not related to teaching. So teachers' ability for pleasing the students doesn't play any major role in this creating the positive factors. So D will not be there. If D is not there means if option automatically option A, B, C out. So automatically D is the option, right? The next question. The next question is unit test, class tests, assignments or essential components of. So these are all, it is a continuous process. So it is not summative, it is not analytical, it is not diagnostic. Diagnostic, it should start from the start. So it is continuous. Which branch of philosophy deals with the knowledge? Automatically it stops in that. Knowledge means epistemology, that's all. Which of the following is the highest level of cognitive ability? Cognitive highest level is evaluating. It is not analyzing. After analyzing, it is evaluating. So the next question: classroom teaching is a type of. Classroom teaching is a type of. It is not one way or only role. Both is not. Non-verbal, it will not come. So it is a discourse. So what is the 16th? 16th question, I think. Yes. So there are 20 people working in an office. The first group of the workers work during 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Second group workers work during 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Third group workers work during 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. There are 5 computers in the office which all employees are frequently used. During which of the following hours the computer likely to be used most? It's very easy. So start from the last. So 12 to 6. 12 to 6 means it includes in 8, it includes in 10. So 12 includes in 3. Both 1 includes in all 3. 2 also includes in 1 to 3. So 12 to 2 is the maximum period. That is the answer. So find the missing number in the series. It is, I think, 4 plus 7 is 11. So 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 11 is 29. 29 plus 18 is 47. So 47 plus 29 is something 6. 76 is the answer. So at railway station, a man said that women, a train leaves for the new Jagalpuri after every 1.45 hours. The last train has already left 50 minutes ago, and the next train will leave at 5:15. At what time the information was given by the woman? Just check with the options. If the woman must have told in 3:30, what will be the time? So if he has told by 3:30, it will not come. So every so 5:15 is the next train means. So 145 hours means it is 3:30. So already left means it won't come. Already left by 5:50 minutes means it will not come automatically. So 5:15 means last train must have left by 3:30. So 145 minutes. So if he has told by 4:20 means it is 50 minutes after 3:30. So automatically option is correct. So, so option is B. So if it is possible to make a meaningful word from the first, second, fourth, fifth letter, first, second, fourth, fifth, first, second, F, second, A, and fourth, S, and fifth, E. Then which letter will be the third letter from the light? Give your answer M if more than one word can be born, and if no word can be formed, give X. Oh, super. If it is F, A, S, E means it is safe, no? So safe means the third letter from the right is A. That's the answer. That's all. Simple. Right. So a lady runs 12 kilometers towards north and 6 kilometers towards south and then 8 kilometers towards east southward. He is from the starting point and in which direction? Good. This is direction sum. As you know that it is top is north, down is south, right is east and left is west. That is not a problem. So he runs 12 kilometers north. So you put a line up to 12 kilometers, again down south 6 kilometers, halfway. So again to the east. So put in a right hand side. So half put again in a right hand side. It comes in a like L shape. We put a dotted lines. It is a Pythagoras theorem. So square root of c equal to square root of a square plus b square. So that is 6 square. This is 8 square. That is 36 plus 64 square root 100. That is 10. So 10 kilometers is confirmed, whether it is a east or northeast. That is a problem. So it is in a halfway. Halfway between north and northeast is north and east side is it is not east. It is northeast. So answer is C. And next question, it is a very easy question. Unsolicited email. Unsolicited means that's a spam. It is not virus. It is not threat. It is not worm. Right. What is the difference between the Signal and Telegram? So both are instant messaging service. So a major difference is Signal is a open source software. I think it is a fully open source. I think some mistakes is done in the key. Signal collects the data along with the phone number. Even Telegram collects the data along with the phone number. WhatsApp collects along the data with the phone number. Everything collects the data with the phone number. It is not C. I think Signal is a open source software. Telegram is not an open source. It is an application. Right. Which is the largest TV experiment in India? As we already know, it is SITE. Right. Television experiment. Satellite instructional television experiment. So he is asking for experiment. So the National Informatics Center launched an instanting messaging platform on the lines of WhatsApp in February 2021. This is very, very important. So it is SanDisk. It is not Sandesh. It is SanDisk. Some mistakes is done in the spelling mistake. So SanDisk is application. So be alert to, they are asking in February 21. So be alert with all this thing. These are all, they are keeping a hint for you. So how the questions have been asked, what is the area, identify the area. So that is very important. What is a dashboard? As you see, dashboard is nothing but information management tool. It is not cloud storage, it is not related to health, it is not a scorecard. So it is an information management tool. Of course in YouTube also there is a dashboard. So assertion raising, formal communication tends to be faster. No. Formal communication will not be fast. So it starts with the levels, no. Next. So it is not fast. So A is compulsory wrong. If A is false means automatically D is the option. Right. The mode of communication that involves a single source of transmitting information to large diversified heterogeneous. He is giving all the key. Large diversified heterogeneous dispersed audience. So automatically involves a single source of transmitting. Single source of transmitting is only the mass communication. So there may be a confusion between the mass and the public communication because group and intrapersonal would not come. So mass or public. So public is senders oriented. It is a key focus is sender, but mass is key focus is receiver. So involves single source of transmitting information. So transmitting information to the largest, it is mass communication. It is not public communication, right? So 28th question, I think encoding or scrambling of data transmission across the network is known as. It is not decryption, it is not decoding, it is encryption, it is not protection. So ideological code shape our collective what we think, perception. It is not consumption, it is not related to economics or production, it is not related to economics itself, it is not creation. Ideological code is perception. What is Twitter handle? Something fishy in the question paper. Something is that missing in the question paper. What is Twitter handle? Twitter handle, everything starts with an username. It is not hashtag. Hashtag is something comment. Twitter URL is the where we are going to entry. Tweet what we are giving as a comment. So Twitter handle most appropriate is username. Right. The purpose of higher education, assertion reasoning. I think the purpose of higher education is to promote the critical and creative thinking abilities among the students. Yes, I think these questions we have discussed in AP set. No, the same question. I think the same assertion reasoning. I think just log on to my AP set video. The same question have been reflected in AP set. That means all the state eligibilities are joining hands to mark the questions. Same questions. So AP and Karnataka. I think AP has conducted at the October. Karnataka has conducted last before. So the AP has copied from Karnataka. That was happened in every case. Even in net also there are 12 days. Most of the questions will be repeated. So my intention is my idea is just go through the YouTube videos because somebody will upload on memory based question. Just have the idea where from the questions have been asked before your exam starts, because mostly it starts with the 24 25 because commerce on 25 I think. So 28 result the question paper starts, net exam starts. So have an analysis of all these things. So both are correct, but or is not the correct explanation. Same whatever we studied, or it not the correct explanation. No, R is the correct explanation because abilities ensure job placement. Okay, the 30-second questions. 32nd question is what it is. The best way of providing the value education. Value education, values. So B, C, D. That may be the option. Lecture, no use. Seminar, no use. Mentoring. I think you must have known about what is the use of giving lectures. As we are doing in the colleges, there is no use both for us, even for the assistant professor, even for the students. Seminar, as you know, at the time of seminar, everything will be useful. After the seminar, nobody will have the contact. So the best way to, of course, they are providing value. It is not academic. Value education, the best thing is mentoring. All right. So which of the following is not a salient feature of NEP 2020? So be alert of this area. NEP very important. So something related to summative. Summative will not come under NEP. So the answer is they have marked a wrong answer, but it is not C. It is D something. So the focus on summative assessment. Why summative assessment is coming in NEP? So this is not a high priority achieving fundamental literacy. Yes, learning flexibility. Yes, promoting a multilingualism, power of language in teaching and learning. That all will come under NEP. NEP, if you want to go to the guidelines, it will run around pages. So you should be alert with all the guidelines of NEP, at least the important flashpoints of NEP. That is very important. They might ask in your examination. Right. Which of the following is not a product of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? It's related to something commerce. So this is a loan scheme, no? MSME loan scheme. So Shishu, Kishore and Tarun is there. 50,000 to 5 lakh, 5 lakh to 10 lakh. So within 50,000 is Shishu, 50,000 to 5 lakhs is Kishore, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs is Tarun scheme. So these are the components of MSME loans, in fact. So this is something commerce related. Why they are asking in first paper? So anything can be asked in first paper. So that is what the moral of the story. So syllabus of the subject is subject name. That's all. Anything can be asked in the syllabus. It is not related to the syllabus at all. So up to the question where you are getting the minimum marks, it will be very easy. Take it from me. Everything will be in you. And what plays the major role is top 6%. So they will give the hick. They will give the point in that area. So nobody can touch in that area. None of the person can touch. unless you intrude into the subjects or intrude into the areas. So unless you do the brainstorming work, take it from me, it will be very difficult to cross uh, the, the next level of easy level and moderate level. Moderate level you should touch. Difficult level none of the person can touch. None of the person. Take it from me. Of course, they may have some choice based or inky pinky ponky, but as such, uh, whether it is from our subject, it will take 3 days. You take it from me. The students will think whether it is from our subject itself. The questions will be like that. So you should be very, very, very alert from all the sides on your subjects, whatever be the subject, computer science or commerce or management. All the eyes should be open all around the four sides. Otherwise, easy question will be easy for all. If that itself is a tough for the aspirants, then it is very difficult task to clear the net examination. So easy level, moderate level, you should take the correct options, either by eliminations or something, some tactics and techniques. So difficult, moderate, the last part of moderate and the easy and difficult part of difficult level will be very difficult for all. So they are having some yardstick or criteria or standard. They won't be down in that. Take it from me. Some options will be confusing. We should be alert with all the. They will give you the difficult level only at the point of quantitative aspects. If they ask one year question or one committee or commission question or one author question, the winner is NTA, not the you, not the aspirants, because none of the aspirants can able to remember all the years, all the dates, all the committees and commission, all the authors, all the statistical details, all the formulas, all the abbreviations. Nobody. So they may confuse. These are all the areas where they will make a checkpoint. So you should cross the checkpoint and then move into the qualification area. That is what the need of the hour. That is what is expected from you as an assistant professor, right? Whatever they ask, you should be able to tick the correct option. So then next question is NARF stands for. These are all abbreviation. So you should be very cautious on all this observation. It is something ranking framework. It is not related to research. So it is not integrated. It is institutional. That's all. So these are all the ways how to eliminate from the options, how to tick the correct options. Of course, this is a very easy abbreviation, but there are certain abbreviations. There are so many areas which are untouched by all. You should be alert in all the fields. Eyes should be open from all the sides, not only from 4 sides, 8 sides. 8 sides should be open. Eyes and ears should be open for assistant professor, not to hear the unnecessary comments from all the people. We should get the required informations, how to equip ourselves in a field of study. That is what the need of the hour. But still, let us see how this exam goes. Okay, thank you all. We'll see with another video. So as usual, comment, share, subscribe. I had given some logo, some not an end but a beginning for sure success. This was my logo in my book. You will clear net, not a challenge but a promise. You just travel with me. I will show the success key for net examination. That is for sure, because I am not new to this field. Of course, you know net. I know net only. You will write net exam. I will write net exam only. You will clear net exam. I will clear net exam only. That is what the difference between the you and me. Right? My area will be this. I won't leave any questions. I won't allow the NTA to give a questions which is out of my focus. If it is one or two, I will intrude into the area. where from they are asking, what is the area they are entering into. I will just intrude into the area, I will just give it to my aspirants and make the aspirants to be clear with all the areas. So be alert on all these areas. So continue to follow my videos, give comments, subscribe, share to others, let others also learn from my videos. So I'll be taking classes, offline classes after this examination, of course, from December 10th. I am planning to take the offline classes as usual at Pondicherry last bit. So of course, there will be some persons, aspirants who will come for my classes. We'll meet at the online offline class. That is not a problem. I'll be uploading the more videos of question paper analysis in my YouTube video Net Narayanan. So be follow with all these videos. We'll come up with the other remaining questions, that is 36 to 50, and then the remaining first 10 questions in my next video, and finish it off this Karnataka set 2021. So 2021 AP over, Maharashtra over, then Karnataka will be over by tomorrow. We'll take up one by one from June 2019. How to analyze the question paper, how to approach the questions with confidence. So thank you all. Good night. All the best.